Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In my today's video, I'm going to share 12 things that you should know when you are traveling for the first time to abroad. First time when we are traveling to other countries, it will be always overwhelming what to take, what to buy and how much cash to keep and so many other things. If you are someone who is looking for traveling to abroad for study, tourism, business, or work, or anything else, this is the right video for you. I'm going to share all those 12 things with you, which will help you in settling in the first few weeks. So let's begin. The very first thing that you have to keep in mind is keep your ID and passport safe and handy. Since the beginning of your journey till the time you reach your destination, you need your identity card and passport in many places like airport, in immigration and many other places. So keep it handy and in safe place. If you're traveling with family and kids together, try to keep every passport at one place for safe and easy accessibility. Also, if you have old and new passports, don't forget to carry them with you. Second, and the other important thing that you should know is knowing your currency. Each country has its own currency standards, also, it may vary in most of the times with your home currency. Get foreign currency before traveling, either from your bank or from the airport. Also, carry some amount of cash in order to pay for your food, drinks, cabs, etc. Third, and the other important thing that you should know is international roaming. As soon as you reach your destination, you may need to use your map, internet, as well as to call your family and friends. Nowadays, most of the mobile companies will provide international roaming plans, so don't forget to add international roaming plan to your mobile. If you're not able to find international plan while you arrive, you can also get a SIM card from the local stores by providing your ID card. Fourth thing you should know is emergency contacts, map and address should be stored in a piece of paper. I know it sounds more like an old school, but hear me out. What if you lose your phone on the way? What if you are not able to recharge or not able to charge your phone? So, just to avoid any kind of worst situation, write it in a piece of paper your emergency contacts, address, and other details. It just takes few minutes and it can save you from lot of trouble. Fifth important thing that you should know when you arrive in a foreign country is place to stay. It's great if you already booked your hotel or Airbnb accommodation before you travel. If not, don't worry. Take your time to book accommodation at Airbnb or suitable hotel in the city center. Even hostels, dorms are also available in few cities. Sixth important thing that you should know is sort your bank account. If you are planning to stay in a destination country for months, you need to sort your bank account. It's good idea to sort your bank account as soon as you arrive, as you may need to transfer the amounts. Also, you may get paid as well as you may need some money. Seventh thing that you should know is register for GP insurance and school. It's always a good idea to register with your doctors, insurance companies. Also, if your kids going to school, register them immediately because you never know when you need your doctor's assistance or you may get busy with your work and eventually you may forget to register them. Eighth thing is make friends. This is one of the most important thing we should be doing when we arrive in the foreign countries. There are many Facebook groups available. Also, you will find community in your local area. So try to find your local community and make friends with them. You will get lot of suggestions about your work, rent, school, society, communication, and many more things. Ninth one in the list is find local stores. In most of the places, it's easy to find the local stores and get your things done. However, just try to find out whichever suits your budget and brands that you're looking for. 10th one in the list is aware of your expenses. In most of the places, we lose the track of the money because of the currency exchange and because it's completely different, and sometimes it's expensive also. Try to avoid any unnecessary expenses at least for few months, if not at least for few weeks. This is because if you are doing a job, you may need your bank accounts and everything to be sorted before you are getting paid. Also, if you are looking for rental apartment, you may need to pay for security deposit, which is huge. 11th thing that you should be knowing is you should get day pass or monthly pass for buses and trams when you have to travel to your work or business every day. It's always a good idea to take day pass or monthly pass until certain amount of days or months. It's because you may need to travel many times in a day in initial period of days. Also, taking cabs or traveling in one side ticket will be way more expensive for you. 12th and the last important thing that you should be knowing is bring basic toiletries and groceries. Keep your basic toiletries such as toothpaste, toothbrush, sanitary pads, towels, soap, etc. in your bag. Also, if you have any special dietary requirement, it will be difficult to find food and groceries immediately along with your all other hustles. Try to keep basic grocery items such as instant noodles, biscuits, chips packets, chocolates, and any other items that you may like. So, these are the 12 things that you should be knowing when you arrive or when you're traveling for the first time to any foreign countries. So, if you know any other points or if you want me to address any other things in my next videos, please let me know in the comment box below. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please like, share, subscribe.